के 2 वीडियोज़ होंगे, एक इंट्रो और एक जो भी सुन रहा है तुम लोग भी सुन लो। So I would like to like check कि सारे participants आ गए हैं क्या? Guys, can you all hear me? Participants?
Yes, yes, we can hear you, buddy.
Perfect, bro, perfect. Mm, so I'll call out the pre-name. So I'll call out the names. I can say. तुम खाली बताओ कि तुम आ गए हो कि नहीं, alright? And please turn on your camera too.
Okay, I'll be taking the name of the participants. So please tell me if you all are here or not. Okay, Ashish Nair, are you here? Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, so I'll be taking participants' names. So just tell me if you all are here or not. Ashish Nair from Contingent Veer Das, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Isha from Kunal Kamra.
Yo, I'm there.
Okay. Hardik Panchal
Present,
from
ma'am.
Okay. Lal Jill.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Naman Thakkar.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Nikhil Badala.
Yep, I am here.
Okay. Riya Wajir.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Shivam Joshi.
Yes, I'm here. Am I audible and visible?
Yeah, you are. And Vrishti Shah.
Yes, sir.
Prachi Mishra.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, so so hello everybody. I hope सभी participants अभी आ ही गए and कुछ थोड़ी सी बातें शातें करने अगर तुम लोग रेडी हो तो, are you ready for some little मैं तुम्हारा host, मैं और सुमन तुम्हारे host. So are you guys ready for some थोड़ी चुप बातें?
Yeah, bro, but at least let everyone open their cameras, yeah.
I know, right? Yeah, right. Guys, please open your camera. अभी देखो ये मिस्टर मिस का इवेंट है, अच्छा खासा चल रहा है, हंसी खेल के थोड़ा ऐसे जो नर्वस होंगे, इसी के थ्रू जो नर्वस होंगे ना वो लोग काम होते रहेंगे कि नहीं आए, सभी अपनी है. सो इट्स इजी फॉर यू गाइस एंड फॉर हमारे लिए. सभी ने आई गेस, आई होप सभी ने कैमरा ऑन कर ही दिया होगा. परफेक्ट. ज्यादातर लोगों ने कर दिया. सो इसी के साथ I'll start with the event with Mr. and Miss Parallax 2021. Title sponsor, career launcher, MBA.
So Parallax 2021 is virtual this year, but the fun is not going to be even 1% less than a year. So I guess all of y'all are excited here.
एक्साइटमेंट तो भी धीमे धीमे बढ़ेगी ना भाई, अभी तो फिलहाल तो शुरुआत हुई है. सभी आधे लोगों के तो माइंड में तो क्वेश्चन मार्क दिख रहा होगा कि भाई होने क्या वाला, कैसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे, क्या होगा, सो देखो भाई स्ट्रेस मत लो, जो डिजर्विंग है वो जीतेगा, तो सभी को पता है, सभी अपने बेस्ट देना है यहाँ पर, राइट सुमन? या परफेक्ट. सो अभी हम कुछ बातें करेंगे पैरालेक्स के थीम पर. तो तुम लोग को कुछ आइडिया है कि व्हाट इज द थीम? थोड़ी बहुत जो भी तुम्हें जानकारी हो थोड़ी सी शेयर करने की, अगर तुम्हारा दिल हो तो प्लीज.
It's on the comedians to spread laughter. Just one question.
Yep,
Uh,
yep.
like it's about comedians. Why Kunal Kamra's name is there?
भाई स्टार्टअप हो गया ब्रो. डे वन इवेंट, फर्स्ट इवेंट स्टार्टअप. या ओके. सो ये तो मुझे भी काफी डाउट था कि कुणाल कामरा यहाँ पे क्यों है, बट ठीक है, आखिर कंटीजेंट है, सो कॉलेज है, सो नो.
I'm just kidding. No offense to the college people. Just to the just to the
नहीं ब्रो,
person.
सभी यहाँ पर दोस्त ही बैठे हैं, सो नो इश्यूज. यहाँ पे सभी कॉलेजेस है, सभी यहाँ पर यू नो कहते हैं ना इक्वली फाइट चल रही है. फाइट भी नहीं है यार, एक छोटी सी कंपटीशन है, जस्ट मिनी कॉम्पिटिशन. कोई सब ग्रजेस वजेस लेकर नहीं बैठा, बस मेरी कॉलेज मेरी कॉलेज. मैं पहले ही सबको कह दूं, जो भी नाम से अगर मैं मस्ती करूं, फॉर एग्जांपल कुणाल कामरा हो गया, या फिर कुछ भी ऊपर नीचे वाली बातें हो गई, तो प्लीज दिल पे मत रहना. ये मैं कॉलेज को नहीं कह रहा, ये मैं जो भी कह रहा हूँ, ये मेरे बड़े बड़े महान महान हस्तियां जो कॉमिक्स वाले हैं, कॉमेडी वाले हैं, उनको कह रहा हूँ. एंड इसी के साथ आई गेस तुम्हें थीम तो पता चल ही गया रहेगा. लास्ट ईयर काफी लोगों के लिए यू नो डिप्रेशन, लॉस लोगों ने काफी फेस करा. तो इसलिए हमारी टीम पैरालेक्स ने ये सोचा कि क्यों ना सभी के चेहरे पर मुस्कान दी जाए. सो इस बार जाकिर खान को भी मुस्कान की चमकान ज्यादा प्रेशियस है. सो या सो सुमन, क्यों ना हम इस इवेंट को आगे स्टार्ट किया जाए, राइट?
So, moving on with the event, I would like to introduce our judges. Our judge for this event, Vaishali Som Kumar Mani. She's the winner of the prestigious Mrs. Singapore Universal 2019 and is titled as the Mariner's Diva 2019. She has elegantly excelled as a model, actress, pageant, coach, motivational speaker, and social activist. She has also played a lead role in Club Wings in Singapore. She's the founder and director of the NGO Flight India and has been awarded as one of the Inspiration Women 2020 in the presence of Nitin Gadkari for social reform. Along with this, she has also played in the drama Esmas Darmi and has played a lead role in South Indian movie. Currently, she is judging and grooming participants for Opera Global Miss India. She has presented herself in the world of show business with her talent and skills. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, LS Raheja College and Team Parallax for having me on this jury. And it's a great honor to be a part of this event. All the best to all you participants. Do your best, and I'm sure each one of you will come out as a winner. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So before starting the event, I would like to say कि तुम सारे ही पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने अपने वीडियोस इंट्रोडक्शन राउंड 1 में जो इंट्रोडक्शन एंड टैलेंट था वो तुम्हारा राउंड 1 में हो चुका है, और यहाँ पे सारे क्वालिफायर्स हैं जो राउंड 2 हो रहा है यहाँ पे, विच इज क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड. सो वैशाली मैम, अभी एक वीडियो प्ले किया जाएगा एंड इसके बाद आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को. थैंक यू मैम. सो टेक्निकल्स guys, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay,
so starting with the event, our first participant is POP number 38, contingent name Veer Das and participant name Ashish Nayak.
We sometimes record a video so that we can later see what was happening while we were busy recording the video. So to introduce myself, my name is Ashish Nair and I am from contingent Veer Das. My talent is a bit unusual, though not easy. It's videography. Video informs and entertains people. Today most people prefer to watch a video rather than read a text or page. I love capturing videos and editing them to something amazing and wonderful. So I hope I'm able to win all your hearts with all my style to create magic through videography. So today I'll be showcasing how to do a model portfolio shoot using a smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Cause I wanna touch you, baby, and I wanna feel you too. I wanna see the sunrise and your sins, just me and you. Light it up on the run. Let's make love tonight. Make it up, fall in love twice. But you never feel alone. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I want you when things go wrong. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I'm with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. We were shut like a jacket, so do yours. We would roll down the rapids to find a wave that fits. Can you feel where the wind is? Can you feel it through all of the windows inside this room? Cause I wanna touch you, baby. I wanna feel you too.
So I hope मजा आया होगा, but video थोड़ा छोटा नहीं हो गया? How about something new, something interesting? How about a product videography shoot at home? Sounds interesting? So let's get started.
My God, Ashish, brother, that was mind blowing. That creativity, that talent, bro. Heads off, brother.
Thanks, bro. Thank you for the compliment.
Hi, Ashish.
Yeah.
A very good evening to you.
Hello,
And
ma'am.
I'm
Good evening.
amazed by how you've used a mobile phone to do, capture all those videos. Really, it's a talent. I mean, hats off to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, the question to you is, do you think so that there is too much of freedom of press in India? And should the government regulate press and media, including social media? Should the government regulate social media and press?
Okay. Thank you for the question, ma'am. According to me, I think the government should regulate the press and the media. I feel this because if we give too much of freedom, it cannot be. We cannot give too much of freedom for everything. Every coin has two sides. So if we give too much of freedom, it can cause damage to a country as well. And even though keeping too much of restriction is not will work out. So I think the government can take better decisions in restricting the press in somewhat way, which will not affect the country, and outsiders can't blame our country for anything like that.
And what do you think? What about social media? Should social media be regulated, or should it work the way it is going on right now?
I'm talking about the social media. I think social media should be regulated as it is going on, because if we see that if government starts regulating the social media, then it can be a damage to our country. Because if you see, many popular artists now have been created because and with the help of social media. So I don't think social media should be regulated by the government, but some measures can be taken to restrict any foul actions done. But rather than that, I guess social media is doing a great job in influencing people and bringing more and more talents to the world.
Okay, Ashish, thank you so much. And
Thank
all
you so
the
much,
best
ma'am.
to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay, so moving on with the next participant, we have POP number pre-6, contingent name Kunal Kamra, participant name Isha Parul.
I think something went wrong with the camera.
Parallax 2021 and a warm welcome to everyone. I am Isha Paroi, 19 and a management student in Nagindas Khandwala College. My contingent name is Kunal Kamra. Talking a little bit about myself, I would describe myself as a curious learner, opinionated, and straightforward. Stage has always been my comfort zone, so performing online is a new thing for me, but I like interacting with people and making new friends, so this is fun. Apart from my interests in performing arts like dancing, music, orating, hosting, I also paint and cook. Talking about cooking, I have also been a part of this show, Junior MasterChef India Season 1, when I was 10. The experience was exhilarating. I met so many new people from different walks of life. It was so new for me, and I just can't forget the whole experience. I learned a lot. About the paintings that I do, I like to portray a particular message or a storyline through my art because I think that really fascinates me if art has a story behind it. So I'll be doing that for the talent round. Once again, this is Isha Paroi, contingent name Kunal Kamra. Thank you.
किसने क्या पूछा? अच्छा.
Hi, Isha. Very good to see you. Can you hear me?
Good evening, ma'am. Actually, something went off with my camera. I'm trying to.
I'm not able to see you, Isha.
Exactly, it's appearing black. I don't know. I'm trying to do it. Just a second. Is it visible now?
No, I think there's not enough light where you're sitting.
Ma'am, there's enough light, but I don't
Okay, something wrong with
trying
your.
to join it.
What do you think? Should I ask her the question, or should we move on to the next participant till the time she fixes her lights and all?
Ma'am, it's on
If I
you.
get
If
5
you want to
minutes, I
ask,
can just do it. So it's
like, ma'am, we'll leave it on you. If you want to ask the question right now, you can ask the question now, or we can move on to the next participant and then you can ask to her like that.
Okay, Isha, since it's your turn, let me ask you the question. What is your take on gender equalities, the way you have portrayed in the painting? Right, there's too much of chaos and too much of what do you call animosity against women. So, what do you think? Is there a problem with the law or the implementation? And if there are laws for the women, are they aware of it? And if yes, are they using it or misusing it? I hope you got my question. It's too lengthy.
thanks for the question, ma'am. About gender equality, this has always been a war. Like, so many people, like millions of people, misunderstand feminism to pseudo feminism, which is so wrong. Feminism is all about, being equal to men, not being superior or above them. We never wanted that. We just wanted equal rights, whether it is in the job sector, corporate world, normal household. That's what we always wanted. But for like people who literally mislead the ideology of pseudo feminism to feminism, that makes a confusion. And talking about equality, I think India has almost been reached a point where I think there's no difference between men and women in, at that rate at least. Now it has been reduced, but somewhere it is still there. As my painting portrayed, that half side of India, we are fighting for LGBTQ rights, and we are winning World Cup. We are developing in the science sector, developing our own apps. But then the dark side of India, we are still fighting things like rape, abortion. And I think that's so sad, because half of India is really developing, and one of the fastest developing countries, you can say, and the other half of India is really struggling with the basic social values. Thank you.
Okay, Isha, a very nice answer. Thank you so much. And I hope you fix your light.
I'm trying. It's so
all the best,
so
Isha.
sorry for that. Yeah.
No problem. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, Isha and Vishali ma'am. Moving on with the next. We have POP number 32. Contingent name Anubhav Vasi. Participant name Hardik Panchal.
Hello everyone, I'm Hardik Panchal. I'm 21 years old, and talking about me, I'm a perfect melange of business and creativity. Talking about the creative aspect, I am an actor, model, and a writer, and thus I have my own production channel on YouTube named Bioscope Cinema, where I create content in terms of short films, mockumentaries, web series, etc. etc. Apart from that, being a Gujarati, my second inclination is towards business, and thus I have my two startups running currently. One is into villa rentals, basically, and the second one is a clothing brand which I'm going to launch really soon. I do invest in the stock markets too, and I guess that pretty much sums up of who I am. Lastly, I would like to share a quote which clearly states my ambitions. जो नहीं हो सकता वही तो करना है, अकड़ तोड़नी है, अकड़ तोड़नी है उन मंजिलों की जिनको उनकी ऊंचाइयों पर गुरूर है. Thank you so much.
और अब इनफैक्ट मेरा ये काम आप पूरा करोगे आज अभी.
सॉरी, मैं कुछ समझा नहीं.
आपके घर में कॉकरोच आता है तो आप क्या करते हैं राठौड़ साहब? आप उन्हें पालते नहीं, आप उन्हें मारते हैं. ये चारों कॉकरोच मेरा घर गंदा कर रहे थे और आज मैं अपना घर साफ करना चाहता हूं.
तुम हो कौन?
मैं वो हूं जो बस और ट्रेन में चढ़ने से डरता है। मैं वो हूँ जो काम पे जाता है तो उसकी बीवी को लगता है जंग पे जा रहा है, क्या पता लौटेगा या नहीं। हर 2 घंटे में फोन करती है, चाय पिया नहीं, खाना खाया नहीं। दरअसल वो ये जानना चाहती है कि मैं जिंदा हूं या नहीं। मैं वो हूं जो कभी बरसात में फंसता है तो कभी ब्लास्ट में। मैं वो हूं जो तस्वीर देखकर शक करता है, और मैं वो भी हूं जो दाढ़ी बढ़ाने से और टोपी पहनने से घबराता है। बिजनेस खोलता हूं तो सोचता हूं कि नाम क्या रखूं, क्या पता दंगे में मेरा नाम देखकर मेरी दुकान ना चला दे। झगड़ा किसी का भी हो, हर वक्त बेवजह फंसता मैं ही हूं। भीड़ तो देखी होगी आपने, बस भीड़ में से कोई भी एक शक्ल चुन लीजिए, मैं वो हूं। आई एम जस्ट अ स्टूपिड कॉमन मैन वांटिंग टू क्लीन माय हाउस।
तुम हो क्या?
मतलब
हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, क्या हो?
मेरे मजहब का इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
देना है।
मैंने आपसे कहा ना, आई एम जस्ट अ स्टूपिड कॉमन मैन।
स्टूपिड कॉमन मैन।
राइट।
तुम्हें डर लग रहा है पकड़े जाने का, मारे जाने का?
शायद।
बी स्पेसिफिक, हाँ या ना?
हाँ।
तो फिर ये डर याद रखना, और ये मत सोचना कि तुम आम आदमी का झंडा दिखाकर बच जाओगे। तुम जो साबित कर रहे हो ना,
मैं साबित कुछ नहीं करना चाहता राठौड़ साहब। मैं बस आपको याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि लोगों में गुस्सा बहुत है, उन्हें आजमाना बंद कीजिए। वी आर रेजिलिएंट बाय फोर्स, नॉट बाय चॉइस।
Wednesday, that movie was a masterpiece. Vaishali ma'am.
What a multi-talented guy you are, Hardik, and so many things you're doing at such a young age. Villa rentals, creating your own movies, uploading them. I mean, too many things. I'm really, really, really happy to know everything about you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, the question to you, Hardik, is: imagine that you are selected as the president of this country for a week. What do you plan to do for this country in 1 week?
Thank you so much for this question, ma'am. So basically, it's a real life Nayak movie for me for 1 week.
Yeah.
If I would get an opportunity, I would start with something really small, because I think कि छोटी-छोटी चीजों से ही पहाड़ बनता है. I would go and understand what the actual problem is from the starting, from the down side of the whole chain of management. So I would go down, listen to the problems, what exactly is going on, what are the things which are being implemented by the government, and how it is being reciprocated by the people. So I would get to the people directly that what they want, and then implement it from the top, because ऊपर से दिखना बहुत आसान होता है, पर नीचे ही पता चलता है कि actually क्या चल रहा है. I would go from down, specifically talking about, I would take the facts of economic growth of people who are in the middle class age and those who are in the lower income groups, how I can clear the taxes for them and everything. And secondly, I would go into helping them into the human development index, how their standard of living can be improved, because right now we are facing a problem where the rich are getting more richer, they are living in luxurious apartments, and at the same time there is a slum just beside it. So I would go into that. Man, being a president, honestly, I would not have that many powers, because the PM has much powers than the president. But I would try my best from the legislative, from the upper house, which is the Rajya Sabha. वहाँ से मैं जो भी कर सकता हूँ, I would try my best to do that.
Okay, Hardik, thank you so much for your answer. By the way, the slum dwellers are the richest people these days in Bombay.
if we consider Dharavi,
that's the irony. That's the irony of poor people, because we see that there are people who are living in buildings and in good houses, but the reality is these people own slums, and it goes on till crores and crores, and they are also quite flourished.
If we consider about Dharavi, then I do understand that, because I am myself dealing into business with some Dharavi vendors, and honestly speaking, they don't pay taxes, and at the same time they are living in an illegal area and they are doing crores of business.
बट थोड़े परसेंटेज ऑफ लोगों की वजह से हम सबको वो प्रूव नहीं करवा सकते. That would be injustice to the bigger section of poor people, I believe.
Yeah. All right, Hardik. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Vaishali ma'am and Hardik. Moving on with the next participant. POP number 319, contingent name Rohan Joshi, participant name Laljin.
Hello everyone, myself Jilla. Hope you are safe and doing well. So talking about myself, I'm kinda extrovert. I love adventures and I'm very enthusiastic. I'm damn passionate about dance. Like it literally runs through my veins. Also in my free time, I like reading books. And I'm a strong believer of never giving up. If not now, then someday you'll surely achieve what you want. So keep trying and keep striving for it until you reach there. Thank you.
रिद्धि सिद्धि वृद्धि होती हाँ तेरे ही आने से और सुंदर ये सृष्टि होती हाँ तेरे ही आने से मोरया मोरया के अंधेरे कोने में जो दानव छुपा है मोरया उसमें ही जय हो तो दिग्विजय हो तेरी तरह मोरया लाख कोई दे हुंकारे लाख कोई धुमकारे हम तेरी राहों पे चलते हम नहीं रुकने वाले मेरा देवा देवों का देवता माता देवा देवों का देवता पैर रुकने ना सके झुकने ना देगा शंभु सुताय लंबोदराय मोरया मोरया बाप्पा मोरया गणपति बाप्पा लंबोदर तू विनायका तू वल्लोळेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया लंबोदर तू विनायका तू वल्लोळेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया भक्ततुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका
That performance was so energetic.
Yeah. Good evening, Jill. High energy performance. You're a very good dancer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready for the question, Jill?
Yes, ma'am.
So my question to you would be, if you woke up tomorrow in the morning and you gained one ability or a quality, what would you want it to be and why?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. I want probably mostly everyone would want this ability of reading minds because because everyone wants to know what's going on in everyone's mind, like what they're thinking about us, what is their perspective, because not always people be or behave what they are actually. Like in Hindi, you say like there's a saying that दिखाने के हाथी के दिखाने के दांत कुछ और चबाने के दांत कुछ और. So looking from that perspective, I would really want to know that whom I trust and whom I believe that this person or these friends or whomever will be with me and they love me, but still I want if I would want this ability to read minds so that I get to know who are real and who are not. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, Jill, thank you and all the very best to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
जिल ने एक्चुअली सभी की ही दिल की बात कह दी, बिकॉज़ एक्चुअली वही एबिलिटीज चाहिए रहते हैं टू रीड द माइंड्स.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving on with the next participant, we have POP number 35, contingent name Azim Banatwala, participant name Naman Thakkar.
Namaste to the respected panel of judges and the members on the dais. Hi, my name is Naman Thakkar and I'm 17 years old. I'm from Mumbai, a city which lives in you. Well, I would like to share a famous quote with you which goes like this. Don't ask yourself what the world needs. Ask yourself what makes you come alive and do that, because world only answers to those who come alive. That's why I'm here. Well, I'm a really highly enthusiastic and an optimistic person who loves to dance and is really into extracurricular activities. And I've played many sports to its advanced level like football, basketball, lawn tennis, etc. Thank you very much.
कहाँ ले जाए तू, मैं खोई खोई हूँ ना सोई सोई हूँ, जब से तू है मिला, छुपा कहाँ था तू, जरा बता दे तू, तुझ पे रहूँ मैं फिदा, नशा सा तेरी आंखों में बातों में तू जीने की वजह, मजा ना इन सोनी सोनी रातों में आ जाना यूं ना तड़पा.
मिर्ची 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 नजर तिरछी शक्ल फिरनी हरकत फिल्मी गर्ल डू यू फील मी तेरा भाई भी तो हार्ड है हर गली में स्टार है अब पूरा बवाल है शक्ल पे स्कार है दिल में से प्यार है कॉल 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 जरा कॉल पे कॉल वो लाइन पे ओ माय गॉड इस गर्मी में वही तो जिम्मेदार वो बंगाली गुजराती मिक्स है रिक्शा में निकली पर लेना तो रिस्क है ओ माय गॉड मिर्ची तिकी 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 मामला है रिस्की चांद का टुकड़ा है चेहरा पर बंद रखती प्यार की खिड़की ओ मेरी मिर्ची रुको ना मिस यू मिस से तुमको मिसेस बनाना है अब तुम सिर्फ बैठ के ध्यान दो मुझको किचन में डिशेस बनाना है और नदी में बहुत से फिशेस है तुम फिश नहीं तो फिशिंग नहीं जाना है
जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन नकासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में मेरी कसम मुझको सनम दूर कहीं आ जा मेरे कहती है पास मेरे आ जा
कहता हूं जब तक बुढ़ापा नहीं आता थोड़ी बदतमीजी कर लेते।
पान में पुदीना देगा, नाक का नागीना देगा, चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देगा, चांद ने जिधर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा। तेरी बात ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात, थाली में कटोरा लेकर आलू भात मूड़ी भात, मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का।
That was too good. And actually सभी को एक डाउट है that the video is not clear या चीजें वीडियो लैग हो रही हैं. So guys don't worry, judges ने पहले ही videos clearly देख चुके हैं. So Vaishali ma'am, please.
Yeah, hi Naman, where are you?
Hi ma'am.
Yeah, hi
Good
Naman.
afternoon.
You are a good dancer, Naman. यहाँ पे सारे dancers हैं यार, ऐसे लग रहा है हम भी थोड़ा सीख लें आप लोग से. You guys are so awesome, so awesome. Acha, my question to you, Naman, would be, what is your biggest failure, and how did you overcome it, or how are you trying to overcome it, in case if you've not yet?
Interesting question. Thank you very much, ma'am. So my biggest failure was not able to communicate better with people. In my ninth and my 10th standard, actually in my school time, I was not able to communicate well with people. I used to fluster a lot, or just get nervous a lot. But after my 10th standard, to be honest, 11th was my turning point. When I entered my college, I was like, abhi to mujhe sabse baat karna hai. I just wanna, be around people, communicate with people. So I started communicating with people, first with the guys and all the group and etc. stuff. But there also came a hurdle where people used to think that, you're just trying to gain attention and stuff. So that was one part in that, like when you are trying to communicate, people think you as an attention seeker. When you're not trying to communicate, people think you as an underdog. So that was my hurdle where I was not able to communicate. But after that, I started participating in these pageant competitions, which also helped me overcome my, where I was not able to communicate with people. So that build my confidence. And also the dance competitions, it also helped me gain confidence in front of a whole audience when I used to perform in front of the whole auditorium and so many people. So that was my biggest failure in 9th and 10th standard, where I was not able to communicate better with people, which I overcome it. Yeah, finally.
And from what you're saying that you were not very social, or you were scared of talking.
Yeah, I was not very
Doesn't look like that now, Naman. You have really improved that. Hats off to you for that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, all the best, Naman, and take care.
Yeah, you too, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Right. नमन ने इसी के साथ मैम एक्चुअली सभी को ही एक लर्निंग दे दी है. That you need to open up. First, you have to try something to get open up. Because अगर नमन भी try नहीं करा तो उसे नहीं पता चलता ना मैम की ऐसा सब. So this is a lesson we can say. So moving on to the next participant, Suman.
Yeah, so the next participant is POP number 318, contingent name Rohan Joshi, participant name Nikhil Badal.
Hello, my name is Nikhil Badala. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in accounting and finance. My hobbies is to dance and to explore different places. I believe nothing in this world comes easy. To achieve something, you gotta keep yourself busy in dreaming it, doing it, and at the end, living it. Thank you.
कुड़ी दारू पींदी बाली उत्तो लाल टॉप पाली किते हो ना जावे टल्ली में तो जानी ना सवाली कुड़ी दारू पींदी बाली उत्तो लाल टॉप पाली किते हो ना जावे टल्ली में तो जानी ना सवाली मैं क्या डांस करेंगी ना 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 रोमांस करेंगी ना 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 मैं तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड तू मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड लो मैंने पींदी ना 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 रुकते जा मेरी गल तो सुन ले तू मैंने पींदी ना 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 है तेरा तू मेरी तू मैंने जा गल तो सुन तू मैनू कहंदी ना 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 ना। आज की रात लगता है बुरा ना मेरा नसीब है, आ तुझे मिल चलूं के घर मेरा थोड़ी करीब है। मेरे कोलो कोलो लंगी दी सी सप वांगू डंगी दी सी तभी तो तुझी से दिल लगा लिया। मेरी अख तो बची ना तो तेरी कोई हसीना पर मुझे तेरी आंखों ने फंसा लिया। मेरी अख तो बची ना तो तेरी कोई हसीना पर मुझे तेरी आंखों ने फंसा लिया। ओ आंखों ने फंसा लिया, ओ आंखों आंखों ने फंसा लिया, ओ तेरी आंखों ने फंसा लिया, ओ आंखों आंखों ने फंसा लिया।
That was good. That was so good.
Hi, Nikhil. Nikhil, right?
Hello, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
Nikhil.
hi. Good evening, Nikhil. You
Good
again
evening,
are a
ma'am.
good dancer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Okay, my question to you, Nikhil, is what do you think good communication skills is more important, or being well versed with English, the command over English is more important? Because I think as an Indians, we feel that we give too much of importance to this language, English, and we look down upon people who can't talk fluently, or who are, not good with their vocab or not fluent in the language. So what do you think? Is it right, or just, whatever language you speak in, you should be able to express yourself? What is more important?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the question. So, according to me, obviously, communication skills are really important. Although you can speak English or you cannot, we can't judge anyone on their English. They know English or not. Like मैं भी हिंदी में बात करके अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट कर सकता हूँ, and even I can communicate in English. That doesn't if a person doesn't know English, हो सकता है कि वो great communicator हो, and if someone knows English, he might doesn't know how to communicate with a person. So I don't think if a person can speak English fluently, he or she is superior than a person who can't. Like even I can't speak right now clearly, and हिंदी में अभी मैं अच्छे से बात कर सकता हूँ. That doesn't make me I am not a great communicator. Yeah, I was not a great communicator, but due to some self doubt. But now I am. I have overcame that doubt. So I don't think English is that much important. Like in Hindi also you can achieve various things. Like not everyone knows English fluently. Like they can't speak English fluently. So yeah, I think communication skill is great at top rather than English or Hindi or any other language.
Right. Globally, English is the medium of communication in most part of the countries. पर हम as Indians, हम पता नहीं क्यों हम लोग ने उसको बहुत ज्यादा वैल्यू दे दी है, and अगर कोई अच्छे से इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करता है या वो कोई चीजें प्रोनाउंस नहीं करता है बराबर से, हमको लगता है यार ये तो ऐसा ही है, he is not good enough. This is what I have seen across what is happening right now. But I have traveled most parts of the world, and I don't think so. I mean, if you go to China, if you go to Spain or Europe, wherever, English हम लोग अपने तरीके से बोलते हैं, पर हमको we are getting into that more American kind. So I feel that thing from our mind needs to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
And ma'am, I personally like your question, ma'am. I actually, this question is actually, ये ज़्यादातर Indian society में यही होता है कि if a person is not speaking fluently or casually, so नहीं भाई इसके पास knowledge नहीं. So yeah, so they are not listening. They are just these days they don't want quality. They just want that हाँ अच्छा दिखना चाहिए, बस that's it. लेकिन we have to change.
Yes, क्योंकि देखो अभी I have been living in Singapore for almost 10 years now. पर मैं यहाँ पे आने के बाद I can, मेरा वो जो basic accent है, the basic thing, because I am born and brought up in Bombay. तो जो मवालीपन है जो है वो नहीं जाता है, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल
Right, ma'am.
जो बस टूर पे जाके आते 15 दिन में, and I don't know why they feel superior कि you know talking in accents, yo bro, yo man, you
Yeah,
need to
yeah, yeah. Yes, ma'am. They're like, wow. Then they don't say water, they say wow.
yeah.
Right,
बेटा
ma'am.
इधर आना, बेटा वो करना. And I
Bhaya.
don't get somehow
And all this stuff.
living in India, how do you get this kind of things? I think Indianism अपने में होना चाहिए, where we are born and where we belong.
Right.
वो हमारे अंदर काफी rooted है, and it should
That
be
root.
like that.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. We should have that. We should keep that root over here.
Yes, yes,
भाई आप
yes.
बैंड्रा चलो ना. तुम हिंदी में हो यार.
क्या कर रहे हो भैया?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but as rightly said, to express yourself is more important. Even if you go on a global platform, the way you communicate, whichever language it be, if you are good at your knowledge and if you are good with your skills, you will be appreciated across. So English is not so important, but yeah, जितना आना चाहिए उतना आना चाहिए. बहुत ही ज़्यादा you should not value it. That's what I feel. That is my perception. You guys are free to think whatever you want to.
No, ma'am. Actually, your perspection is right, ma'am. Yeah. So, Suman.
Yeah. So moving on with the next participant, POP number 33, contingent name Anubhav Bassi, participant name Prachi Mishra.
Hello everybody, I'm Prachi Mishra and I'm 21 years old. I'm a third year management student and I'm specializing in finance. I'm also learning Japanese language and its culture. I part-time work as an orator for various events. I have also been planning to open a thrift store to promote sustainability. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and painting. As a person, I think our personality is what defines us the most. And as a person, I have seen myself change into a very different personality. But there is one thing that has never changed, and that is my ideology towards presenting myself in front of people. I have always believed that I should present myself the way I am and not filter myself. I believe I have an amicable personality and I love to talk. And it's a little difficult for me to cut my introduction short, but I'm just going to end it by saying that the way you believe in yourself is the way the people are going to perceive you. Thank you so much.
ਸਾਡੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਪੇਅਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਉਣੀ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਮਿਲਾਉਣੀ ਆ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਉਣੀ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਮਿਲਾਉਣੀ ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਪੇਅਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ
रात जवा है तू भी जवा है मैं भी जवा हूँ मौसम सही है तू भी यहाँ है मैं भी यहाँ हूँ देख रहा हूँ मौसम सही है तेरी 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 नहीं नहीं मेरी मेरी ओ मेरी जवानी को कह देगी तो खोल दूंगा अम्ब्रेला नाच मेरी लैला लैला नाच मेरी लैला नाच मेरी लैला लैला नाच मेरी लैला
That and ending thing was a masterpiece.
Konnichiwa, Isha.
Konnichiwa,
Konnichiwa.
Genki desu
Genki desu ka? I should ask
Ma'am,
you
Hindi,
actually
ma'am, time
first,
please,
but-
ma'am, Hindi, ma'am, English, Hindi.
But since you're learning Japanese culture, it's very interesting, Isha, because that is one of my favorite cultures. Japanese is more inclined towards Indian, and there are a lot of things common in both the cultures. Good that you're learning something different. And
Thank you,
Isha,
ma'am.
my question to you would be, who is your role model and why?
Who is my role model?
Very simple
Thank you
question.
so much for your question. It seems quite simple. The question seems quite simple, but it's really not. Thank you so much for your question. Who is my role model is a very difficult question to answer because I cannot name one person that would be my role model. I cannot name one person who would inspire me the most because I am a person who would like to take inspiration from every bits and pieces that I go through in a journey. I cannot stick to one person and look to that person to really decide what I want to be. And that is why I cannot say that I have one role model. I have always come across very commendable people in my life. One being, and one is, I mean, this is given no answer. That would be my mother. That would be my parents in general, my brother. I have an elder brother who is an inspiration for me. But out of that, I have met so many people, even my friends for that matter. I have two of my very close friends, and they inspire me every single day. They support me in a way that inspires me the most to do what I'm doing right now. I was not this confident. I was not this confident to show myself the way I am. I was not confident to shoot a video or to really come out and paint and sing in front of people. But I have got that little bit of support, a little bit of push from the people who actually inspire me. And again, I cannot name one. So that's my answer.
All right, Isha. All the best and happy learning.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Vaishali, ma'am. Moving on with the next contestant. POP number 39. Contingent name Veer Das. Participant name Riya Wajir.
Hello everyone, my name is Riya Vajir. They say that all journeys have a destination that the traveler is unaware about. But well, isn't the actual fun in that thrill and the unknown and finding that one purpose that you're living for? Well, my purpose, passion and love in life is all about writing. I've written stories, poems, motivating quotes and so many things that inspire people to find their true passion and accept what they truly are and be confident in their own skin. Apart from that, I love public speaking, I love participating in debating competitions, quiz competitions, and I've always done a lot of anchoring in my college fest. But well, isn't this such a blissful feeling that you can convert your feelings about being joyous, about being gloomy, about being over the moon, about being frustrated into words and words that can motivate and inspire people to find their true passion? So well, the talent that I'm going to present today is also much about finding your true passion. So I hope you all like it, what I'm just about to present. So, when asked what surprised him the most about humanity, the Dalai Lama answered, "We sacrifice our health in order to make our wealth, and then we sacrifice our wealth in order to get back to our health." Isn't this actually funny that we live in a world where daydreams are more common than day jobs? We sacrifice our quest for purpose of pursuit of paychecks for jobs we don't even really care about. Isn't this funny? But they say that normal is waking up every day, dressing in good clothes, running behind jobs that give us a home that we really want to live in, and that home we really have to stay away entire day running behind the job. I
Ironic, right? But this is a life summed up in a paradox. Now I know why they are called glass ceilings, because they are meant to shatter our dreams. We are so rooted by routines and plagued by indecision and lack of vision. They say that the most powerful prison in the world is the one you don't even know you're locked into. Clockwork and monotony, but honestly, what if Steve Jobs actually settled for a job? What if J.K. Rowling gave up after being rejected after 12 publisher? We wouldn't have ever got the finest literature there is after Shakespeare, known as Harry Potter. What if Rock actually gave up and never fought depression? Now, just for a second, imagine a world which is filled completely with passion. You have a genius inside you, you have potential to find what you truly love. Then why do we care about those 4 words more than we care about rejection, failure, and our own insecurities? And those 4 words are, what will people think? We kill ourselves, we kill the genius, we kill our creativity inside us just with the thought of what people are going to think about us. All you need is that one moment to say yes. And don't we all need that one tiny figment of imagination? As they say, world is but a falling canvas to the imagination. There are decades where nothing happens, but there are days where decades would happen for you. Trust me, from now on, a year ahead, you would have thought that you wish that you started today, right now, and that's when you find your own goal and purpose in life. So that was all about my talent and my introduction. Thank you so much.
Wow, Ria. I mean, rightly summed, and such deep thoughts at young age. I mean, I'm really awed with whatever you have said just now. And I hope in future,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
you make your blog and you pen down your thoughts. And in case if you do, please send the link to me.
Definitely, ma'am. I'm writing a story. My poem is going to be published in 2 months. I'll definitely let you know about that. Sure.
I'm sure, Ria. Okay, coming to the question, my question to you would be, nowadays due to Corona, online education is the topmost thing. So what do you think, the online education, is it revolutionary to educate each and every individual?
For sure. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the brilliant question. I think it's quite an intriguing question. When I think about online studies, ma'am, I feel, is it revolutionary or not? On that thought, I would say, ma'am, no. According to me, it's not revolutionary. It might reach to everyone in the entire world, being online, being internet, being so much freely and feasibly accessible to the World Wide Web that we have today. But I feel that being online kills our creativity the most. We just get so lethargic with our thoughts, with our motivation, especially in this Corona period. I would personally talk about myself as well, that I was so stuck at one place. I was in such a particular hole that it was so difficult to get out of it. Being online comes with a lot of privileges, ma'am. We can just, like on the lecture and just shut off our audio and our video and go back to the warmth of a blanket. And that's all students need in their life. I think we all love this particular part. So I feel this one particular thing just kills so much there is inside us. And I think, ma'am, the most beautiful feeling in the world is getting up every day and learning. Just imagine, you just have to sit at one place with your laptop or your mobile phone or any electronic gadget in front of it, and you just have to sit and just listen or particularly type or talk. That's all you have to do. But for a second, just imagine you have to go out. You have to see the beauty of the world. There's nature. There are thoughts. There, you can get Tennessee. There are so many things out there, and I think that's where you learn. And the most beautiful feeling is getting up every day and learning. I just feel it's so adaptive and it's so addictive as well. You just have to learn every day, and I think it makes so much of a better human being when you accept what you truly are and you are learning every day. When you think you have got perfection, that's when the moment you know that you are a novice. You are not at all at the perfect part. And I think that's the beauty, just being flawed, being confident, and just having yourself. So the question that was it revolutionary? No, ma'am. According to me, it's not at all. It kills a lot of creativity inside us. It kills our ingenious part. And I would say it just there's so much lack of motivation around us. And I don't feel that students or any particular human can get the right effort or the right way to move ahead in life with this. It might be great, it might be feasible and amazing to all of us and easy as well. But no, in a long run, I don't think so. We can see a world where everyone is sitting at their home and having lectures. I see everyone going out, living their dreams and fulfilling their passion. And that's all. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Okay, Riya, to add up to this, there are a lot of underprivileged kids who don't even have, जिनके पास mobile phones नहीं है, they don't even have iPads or nothing. The internet connectivity is not good. So even having a smartphone is a big thing for them.
Exactly.
So for such kind of people, as they feel that they are not learning anything, they are left behind, or they're not getting the proper kind of education. So we are much ahead, and we should thank God for whatever we have right now.
That's
Should
a wonderful
really
thought.
feel lucky.
That's a wonderful thought. We are so privileged, and there are so
We are privileged. We are privileged, and we should make each
so
and every
gratitude. Yes.
yes, whatever we can do from this, we should try and do.
Lovely ended, ma'am. That's a lovely thought. I would definitely note it down.
Thanks, Riya, and all the very best to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Deep thoughts and much needed. Okay, so moving on with the next contestant, we have POP number 37, contingent name Kunal Kamra, participant name Shivam Joshi.
देखकर दर्द किसी और का रूह कांप जाती है, बस इतनी सी बातें दोस्तों जो आदमी को इंसान बनाती है. So with that, greetings to one and all watching me from the other side. This is Shivam Joshi. So speaking about myself, first of all, I'm a human being who believes in humanity, which is becoming rarer day by day in our society. With that, I'm a painter, actor, and a sportsman. But most importantly, I'm a learner. I like to learn new things each and every day. Each day, I start from the bottom and try to rise above from what I was the other day to become the best version of myself. And the philosophy in which I believe is to live in the present, learn from the past, and prepare for the future. I would like to share a line that inspires me and motivates me to aim high in life and face the new challenges every day. The line goes like, धरती पर देखोगे तो सूर्य की किरणें ही दिखेगी. अगर असली सूरज को देखना हो तो नजरें हमेशा ऊंची होनी चाहिए. थैंक यू.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद.
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा. जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा. जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा. जुनून की आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा.
जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया. जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया. जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा. सूरमा के माने है जम्मिया एक सूरमा. सूरमा सूरमा सूरमा.
रोके वो काफी, रुके ना तू तो टोके वो काफी. झुके जरा भी, रुकेगी ना पर इनकलाबी. मन है राजी, डरना क्यों अब अपनी बारी. मार ही लेंगे अब तो बाजी.
जग्गा लिख गया नई कहानी, जग्गा लिख गया. जग्गा जित्ते ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया. जित्ते ते मिलन बधाइयां के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा. सूरमा के माने है जम्मिया एक सूरमा. सूरमा सूरमा सूरमा.
That was too good. That was too good.
Yeah, that song comes from one of my favorite movies, Surma.
Yes, ma'am. Same here, ma'am.
Yeah, so my question to you would be, which role of a man complements women better, as a father, son, or a partner?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Ma'am, can you once again repeat the question?
Yeah. Which role of a man complements a woman better? As a father, as a son, or as a partner?
Okay. So, ma'am, I think all the three roles are most important to a woman that complements them. I think, and from the part of viewpoint of the men, all these three roles, at a point in my life, I am like a son and a brother too, not a partner now, and not even a father. But I believe that all the three roles are, equally important, and all the three roles require equal amount of contribution to make the other person happy, keep her happy, and all the three roles come with their respective responsibilities as well. Like being a son, you have the responsibility to keep your parents happy and your partner as well. Partner means your siblings, and being a father, you need to pick up the family and be a role model to them and support and guide them. And being a brother and being a partner, if I'll be a partner after the years.
You're blushing while saying partner.
So when I will be a partner, I will take the chance to understand my partner and feel what she's going through, or understand her and do according to that.
Very nice, Shivam. I really like your answer. All the best.
Vaishali ma'am, what do you think? Like, आपके हिसाब से, what do you think about this question?
And he rightly said that a father, a son, a partner, all the three roles are very important in any woman's life. As a son, we overlook quite a lot of things. हम काफी चीजों को माफ कर देते because it's your son. But I think the most important role is as a partner, because that's the one person that is going to lead your life. That is the one person you look up to. And that is the one thing that you are going to cherish entire life and you're going to get old with. So I think being a partner is the most important thing in anyone's life. Father and son, of course they are, but we overlook a lot of things in these relations. But everybody wants a perfect husband, right? So that pressure is there on a man to act as a perfect husband. That's what I feel.
I guess all the females out here would connect to Vaishali ma'am's answer here.
Thank you. Yeah, but Shivam, okay. you were really blushing when you were saying, a partner. You really want to lead that role very soon. All the best, Shivam.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Shivam. Thank you, Vaishali ma'am. Moving on with the last participant, POP number 34, contingent name Azim Banatwala, participant name Rushti Shah.
Hello, my name is Rushti Shah and I'm 19 years old. I'm currently pursuing chartered accountancy and I'm also doing BCom. I think that it is really important for us to stay grounded to our own culture. That is why I have been learning an Indian classical art form, Bharatanatyam, since I was in my first grade. I have also finished my teacher's training course in Bharatanatyam. Apart from dancing, I also love to paint as well as to act. I am also a fitness freak. My source of inspiration and strength comes from my mother. I really wish to become like her one day. I do not believe in miracles. I believe in hard work, because hard work will help you achieve your dreams. And that is why I have developed a never give up attitude. Thank you.
रातों की मेरी नींद उड़ाई गई, नशे में तेरे मुझको डुबाई गई। ऐसे मुझे घूरे तू काय को कई झूठे वादे करके पलाई गई, न जाने कितनों को रुलाई गई, और ठुमकों से दिल को चुराई गई। आजा तुझे लेके चल चाय को ओ सैया सैया वे, ओ सैया वे, छोड़ के लैया मोड़ के भैया, जल्दी से सड़ो
Hello.
Yes, Vaishali ma'am.
Beautiful, Charmi. I mean, all your mudras and all the whatever you call those things were very crisp and clear. Very
Thank you
nice
so much, ma'am.
fusion of the choice of song on which you did Bharatnatyam. My question to you would be, do you think that the youth of today face more pressure of performance than the previous generation? Do the youth of today face more pressure than the previous generation?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. I think it's a no, because for me, as you see, the previous generations में the parents के mind में it was fixed that my child बड़े होके बनेगा doctor या तो engineer. So, like the child was not even given the option to like what he wants to become or what he or she wants to become. So I think there was a lot of performance pressure at that time. Now, since we have grown so much in 2021, I think everybody has the liberty to speak. सब कोई like that is not an issue at all. Everybody can speak up and tell what they want to become. So performance pressure as on the topic of what they want to become and what they want to achieve in life is not, it's dependent on them and not on the parents. So I think it's kind of easy because the child knows what he or she wants to do.
Correct. So performance pressure not from the parents, but nowadays everybody is good in everything. So there's a lot of competition everywhere.
Okay, competition wise, I think yeah, competition is
Everybody.
now, like if you talk about school or college life, then I think lots of people are multitasking and there is a competitive pressure. The peer pressure is still there only.
Yes.
But performance pressure for me, I think it would only be so basically if you have achieved what you want to become in life, जो आपको बनना है, I think for me it's the career concept. So performance pressure उस point of view से देखेंगे तो I think so.
So there is a surge in talent, and looking at you all, मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है कि there is so many things I need to learn. There are so many things I need to work on because you guys are so good. All of you, in fact, all of you, multi-talented, very confident, very outspoken, good in everything. And I'm really happy that, I am with this kind of bunch and judging this kind of bunch today. Yeah.
Okay, so as we are almost to the end of this event, so I would be glad if Vaishali ma'am showered her words of motivation on all the participants, or would she like to share her experience or say anything about herself to the participants?
Suman, right?
Yes.
सुमन एक्चुअली ये सब जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट है ना, उनको कुछ मोटिवेशन की जरूरत नहीं है कि मैं कुछ बताऊंगी उससे उनको मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. इनफैक्ट आई एम sitting here and I am getting motivated by this bunch. But I would just like to say that whichever field or whatever you're doing, just give your 100%. जो भी कर रहे हो अपने मन से करो, and I'm sure success will be at your feet in whatever you do. Just give your 100%, and it's not necessarily that, rightly Charmi said that पहले ऐसा होता था कि that you have to become an engineer, इतना education complete करना है, only then you will be successful in life, or only then you can earn more. Yes, money is an important part, but being a good human being at the same time is very important. So do things rightly, do things properly to achieve those things, and always keep your dreams high, always keep your goals high, and your effort towards it will make you reach to the stars. That's what I feel, and that's what I have experienced till date. So just keep trying and don't lose hope. Kabhi kabhi hota hai in your life, you get thoda demotivated or you feel low, but keep your mental state. Your mental peace is the most important thing. Here you have to be strong. Baki सारी चीजें अपने आप आ जाएगी. That's one.
True. इसी के साथ I would like to say a saying. It's basically a rap. It goes like, तुझे कोई रोक देना किसी की औकात, तू कर मेहनत वक्त तेरे साथ, कम नींद खात पे खाना हमेशा बांट के, सपनों के पीछे कर दे यारा दिन रात एक, कामयाबी का एक ही है मंत्र, पीछे पड़ जा तो ठीक निशाने के बनकर, ना सोचना सिकंदर रीति राधे कैसे दुनिया, तू भी बंदा वो भी बंदा ना ही कोई अंतर, फर्क बस सोच का तू सीढ़ियां ना गिन, डिक्शनरी से मिटा दे नामुमकिन, जोड़ जोड़ ईट यारा बनता है घर, तो सबर कर महल बनेगा एक दिन. So it's just a rap, and it helps me to keep motivated on stuff.
I love raps. It has too much of truth in it. The way they are
Man, I'm a
made.
rapper too.
Wow. कुछ भेजो यार हमको अपना recording. In
Yes,
case
I
if
would love to.
And one more thing, guys. See, we are in a good city. We are living in a good city. We are come from good households. ये चीज का है ना, जितना you can utilize it, do it, because since I work with an NGO, I have seen the rural areas, the tribal people. लोगों को people travel. So when we have this camps, they walk for kilometers and kilometers just for one meal. The kids, they will just to get books and pens, they get so happy. We are so privileged, we are so lucky. Just हर एक चीज जो हमारे पास है उसकी value करो. Just learn to value things, and in any which ways, if you can help others, try and do that. It gives a different kind of satisfaction. When you are helping others and when you see that person is doing good, usse zyada I don't think so there is any kind of happiness in life. So jo hai, please be grateful to God that you are born at the best of the places, the best of the families, and uska jitna zyada you can istemal kar sakte ho, karo, for your own growth and for the growth of others. Yeah, and please send me your rap. What's
Yes,
your name?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Perfect, ma'am. I would
Purvik.
definitely send you the rap.
Yeah, please do.
Yes,
Black Eyed Peas is my favorite. Where is the Love? That used to be my one of the favorite songs when I was in college.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Like the thing is, ma'am, I used to write poetries. Then I was like, अगर rap का ही माहौल है, and the small kids, like जो अभी भी जो बच्चे हैं उन लोग के time पे rap काफी, ma'am, वो लोग they're like they don't listen to the sad song. They'll be like, भाई rap लगाते हैं. So through this, I like to share my basic thing, and like कोई knowledge share करनी. Not even दारू and लड़कियां and do all this stuff, मैम ये सब तो सभी कर लेते हैं, लेकिन अगर तुम rap में knowledge share करो, because मैम small kids they ratify the rap. तो अगर जो चीज हम बोलते हैं ना, तो at the same time they think also. So yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. आजा बॉम्बे मेरी माँ से मिलाता हूँ.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Divine.
Yes, it was lovely being with you all. Thanks
Yes,
a lot.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So
Excuse me. Yeah, actually, since Purvik was saying what motivated him to, become a better rapper or something like that, I would also I like to share something which motivated me to communicate better. So, should I?
Yes, yes, sure. But I can't see you. Where are you? Just a minute.
Oh, okay. I've just not turned on my camera.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just reading it right now. So by Warren Buffett, he said that one easy way to become worth 50% more than you are now, at least, is to hone your communication skills, both written and verbal. For example, like if you can't communicate, it's like winking at a girl in the dark. Nothing happens. You can have all the brain power in the world, but you have to be able to transmit it, right? And the transmission is communication. So this para literally like inspired me to communicate way better, since it is increasing your 50% chance of success too, and increasing your worth. So that's it. Yeah, this was in my mind. I just forgot to tell you this while I was speaking.
Right. Motivation is everywhere. You just have to look at the right
Absolutely.
place. You have to take motivation from anything and everything that is around you.
Absolutely. And using the right words and asking the right question.
Correct.
But words are good biggest power, superpower you can get if you know how to use words in proper situation.
And at the same time, how to blend words, like
Absolutely.
communication पे कभी कौन से word use कर, because ma'am, right, that choosing of the words means a lot. जैसे मैम आपने एक question भी आपका एक था कि communication skill चाहिए या English language. And yes, ma'am, तभी मैं आपसे कहने वाला था कि communication is also, it is the key. It is one of the key success के लिए, like communication, according to me.
And we are in a generation where we have so much of things. हमारे पास सब कुछ है. The world is in front of us. वो टाइम नहीं था कि हमको कुछ पता नहीं था कि यूएस में क्या चल रहा है, वहाँ क्या चल रहा है. Right now, everybody, the platform, the social media, internet, it has given us so much of opportunities to learn and know things. Nothing is impossible these days. Nothing is impossible. It's just, keep your eyes, ears, and everything open and learn the right things. यार एक ही जिंदगी मिलती है humans की. Make the most of it. And we are blessed with healthy mind, healthy body. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible.
And actually, this doesn't feel like a competition in any manner. It feels more like we're sharing our thoughts and understanding each other's perspective. It's more than a competition right now, which is amazing in a way.
That's how it should be. That's how it should be. I should learn a lot from you, and you guys should get whatever you can. So it's just exchange of thoughts. Competition is just the medium.
Competition is an opportunity.
Yeah. And Hardik, so you plan to make a movie anytime in future?
Actually, I do so. In fact, I got some opportunities in TV serials and all, but I was like, let me complete my education first. I need to set my businesses first. Once those things are set, then it's easy to go inside the television industry. Contacts और वो सब talent और वो सब है. But एक बार अगर घुस गए, फिर तुम पढ़ाई पीछे छोड़ जाओगे. लेकिन एक बार पढ़ाई हो गई, उसके बाद you have a big life where you can do anything you want.
Correct. Make use of the opportunities that you get. That's what I would say. Good.
So now coming an end to this beautiful event, I would really like to thank Mrs. Vaishali Mane for being a part of this beautiful event, and to all the participants for cooperating. And of course, thanks to Team Parallax and our title sponsor, Career Launcher India. This is Suman Pandey.
And this is Puri Bhanushali signing off.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
ma'am. Actually, ma'am, the thing is, मैं जाते टाइम एक और चीज कहना चाहूँगा. Ma'am, you are actually ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि मैम सभी को इसलिए मजा आ रहा है. Like that contingent Abhinav Bassi, that she said कि अभी competition नहीं लग रहा है, and it's more like a sharing of thoughts because of you, ma'am. Because कोई judges they are like कि हाँ, it's a competition. Let's give the results and then we'll leave. लेकिन ma'am, you're sharing some things, and that is the main star of the event, ma'am.
Thank you so much. That's how I am.
I would
Yes, ma'am,
I'm
definitely,
waiting
ma'am.
for your blog, or I'm waiting for you can take my number, or on social media you just send me the link wherever you're writing your poetry, because you really write well and you should pursue that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Writing has always been my passion, and I am inclined, towards going there. And I would really second, Purvi, because, ma'am, you are such a fabulous judge. You are interacting with us. You're sharing your thoughts. I just feel, you're the most coolest judge I've seen till now. Because in the end, if you are enjoying the competition the most, I think that's what really matters. And
That's what.
You have an amazing judge, and ma'am, kudos to you. You are fabulous.
Thanks, Riya. So don't feel down if one of you guys are the winner, but just keep your spirits high. There's a lot of learn. You have learned a lot from this. I mean, just showcasing your talent and being in front of so many people, उससे भी काफी सारी चीजें we get to learn. So don't lose hope. There are always opportunities in future. ऐसा नहीं है, because हमको भी we have to come to one particular person. So that's why. Otherwise, you all are awesome. And the people who have auditioned, even they were good, but we had to select few, and here you guys are. So don't feel down or demotivated because of the results. And please, 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 whatever you're doing, do your best. I'm sure each one of you would make your parents and make yourself proud.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, see you then. I'll sign off. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bro, results अभी आएंगे या वेट करना पड़ेगा? सीएल के थ्रू क्या
ब्रदर रिजल्ट्स सीएल के थ्रू आएंगे.
अच्छा.
लेकिन हाँ आई नो बिकॉज मैंने काफी ऐसे कॉम्पिटिशन, तुम सभी एकदम ईगरली बैठे रहोगे ना भाई, रिजल्ट सभी का